Hello everyone, let's not waste time in theory. I'll start with how Data Analyst works using AI and Excel without coding. So guys, here I have a simple data set. Okay, this is the sales data, something every company uses. You can see we are having the product names, the date, the units sold, as well as the revenue that has been earned. Okay, so now you can see the real world data is quite messy. We are having the empty cells, we are having the duplicate data as well. Sometimes the data is not in the standardized format. So cleaning this type of the data will take a lot of time, but we are going to use the ChatGPT to make it easier. So guys, on the ChatGPT we can upload the files in case if our data sets is huge, but since I am having the very small data set with me, so I can copy paste it, okay, directly. So guys, here I have written a simple prompt like here is my data set, suggest how to clean it and what steps to follow. So now AI is guiding us step by step. Okay, here it has explained all the problem areas what I'm having in my data. You can see that the issues reported were we were having the missing values, we were having the duplicate rows, as well as the date format was inconsistent. So guys, first of all, to have the consistent data, we will be converting this date format. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll select the column, go to the data tab, and then text to columns. Okay, and here we can convert it into the proper date format, and this is done. So guys, if we are going to follow this ChatGPT, the second step, it is saying that we should remove the duplicates. Okay, so we are having this watch, okay, which was the number of units sold and the revenue and the same date was mentioned. So this was the duplicate data and we are going to remove this. So guys, let's remove this duplicate data. Now guys, we have to handle the missing values, and for that we will be taking the average value. Okay, and we are going to replace those average values for those units sold as well as the revenue. So now I am filling the missing values. I have took the average values of the revenue as well as the units sold, and that I have filled it here. Okay, now let's answer the very simple question, which product is selling the most. So we will be using the basic sort formula of your Excel. So guys, I have used this simple formula to calculate the number of shoes sold. The same formula you can apply for t-shirts as well as watch and can understand which product is being sold the most. Most of the companies need this. You don't need coding for this. Data analysts just don't look at the numbers, they give the insights. For example, which product is generating the maximum profit, okay, which is being sold the most, and the businesses need to focus on which product more. This is the real data analyst task, what you have done using Excel and AI. In the next video, we will be going deeper into the Excel function that is being required in the jobs. Comment done once you try it and follow the playlist step by step. Thank you so much.